Hello everyone. This is the ATR8300 MP532 we produced for our customer Serum Optech SIA. The SN number is 23382056541-532-55. This device has functions such as autofocus, autoscan, and Raman imaging. The instrument wavelength range is 192 to 5559 wave numbers. And the excitation wavelength is 532 nanometers. These are product accessories for the instrument. They are hexagonal screwdriver, USB cable, visible light data cable, USB 3.0 cable, power cord, objective lens, test sample, DB25 cable, software USB disk, and instrument box key. Next, we introduce the precautions for installing fiber optic cables. This is the fiber optic for the laser. The connector of the laser optical cable has a protrusion, and the corresponding interface also has a groove. Align the protrusion with the groove, push it in, and tighten it. The other one is the signal fiber, which is also aligned and pushed in and then tightened. Finally, is the introduction of our software operation interface. Connect the instrument to the computer via USB, start the instrument and open the software. Place the sample under the objective lens, rotate the appropriate objective lens magnification, perform autofocus, and then set the parameters, including integration time and power settings. The ATR8300 MP532 excitation power is optimal at below 100 milliwatts. Click Single Acquisition and restore the default size, and peak data will be displayed. If the fluorescence is severe, you can click the algorithm to perform mechanical correction. Next, we will introduce the software operation of X-axis, Y-axis, and Z-axis movement. Up and down are for the Y-axis, and left and right are for the X-axis. Optosky thanks for your recognition and looks forward to more win-win cooperation.